Hey, what's up guys? We're back and we're in a very grassy place with apples. In France. And we're going to be showing Derwynn round. Because we have a bit to show him. Like somebody making mysterious knocking noises over there. This is some grass, Derwynn. It's grassy. Right, let's go. Oh yeah, you might wanna check out the caravan first. See what you'll be eating. Home sweet, getting smelly home. Right.
Caravan.
Yeah, well, caravans smell like caravans, right? Let's go. Nah. Wait. Super zoom in on the plum things. Hell yeah. Nom plum things. Oh, you. That bastard was eating a plum thing.
Okay, that was pretty good plums.
Wow. Yeah, he's never. Oh, look on the floor. Oh, yeah, pick him up. Nom. Right, let's go.
Super nom. I've never had any of those before,
More plums.
More plums.
Not so good plums.
Oh, yeah. We have new about
Right. This one.
Why is there stuff on my apple?
Come this way. Just a little further. It's a pond.
It's a really watery pond you got there.
Sharp. It's smooth. Yeah, nice one. Oh crap! That's a pear tree. It's got pears.
Oh.
I don't know whether they're ripe.
No.
Thought not. Let's go.
I got a message. Oh shit, bring that up.
Yeah, that was really smart of you. You know, I got a text message. Oh my god, I'm standing in a patch of stinging nettles. Really genius. Now here's the best bit. Not that. That's a meadow. That's not the best bit.
Oh shit, stinky stuff.
That used to be nettles, right there. All of that.
Well,
Well, not nettles. Brambles.
Brambles. Yeah, brambles that ones.
Yeah. So did that there. And that. And that. A lot of it used to be brambles. There are also more plums up here. It's like Plum-tastic City.
That one looks like it's a gun.
Yeah.
Moldy.
Would you like to feast on my plums?
I would like to see some very, very molded plums.
Oh god.
Yeah.
They've gone.
Yeah.
They're fudged. No, they're all.
They don't taste too bad.
Oh, nice one.
It's bad about that. Hey look, what are these yellow things? What do these do?
They're also plums.
They're tasty plums. Damn tasty plums.
Well, this video is just basically just us eating plums. Yeah, we planted all these. Damn, these plums are fucking tasty. Yeah, we planted all these trees. Here. Right, let's go. Don't you dare have a plumgasm on me. Right. This is what we call foot. Because it looks like a foot on the map. See, it goes around the corner there and goes off that way. Not very far though. That's the area of doom where nobody goes because it's too dangerous. Now these are slow.
Oh my fucking god! Blueberries. They're not blueberries. Those are snowberries.
Yes. Damn it, I thought I had you fooled, man. I thought you were gonna fucking eat the blueberries.
Oh. That's what you get for eating strawberries.
They make good gin.
Slowberry, slowberry. Wow, the focus on this camera is shite. Blackbirds.
Dude, I'm not going
that up.
I'm going this way.
I'm gonna. Oh shit, that one's not ripe. That one. No. Oh, can you see it? Just there. That. There. That one. No, wait, not that one. What the fuck is it gone? I can't find it. What the... There. Dude. That one.
Coming to what?
Give me a second. Oh yes. We can get two. There's some good blackberries.
Yeah.
Whoa! Look at the size of these strawberries.
Alright.
These ones are massive.
Slow.
Yeah, I know. So massive.
It's slow. And here, this is what we call. Actually, we haven't called it ever this. But I name it now. Corny bitch, I name thee now the heel.
The heel.
Let's go.
The head branch. Ow. Wow, fuck you, random piece of prickly shit.
You can do this. You're as
Ow.
tall as me.
Ow!
Screw it.
Same height as me, maybe? Is that the words you're looking for? Ow! Ow!
And this. Come in, bitch.
Oh!
You can stand this up, this here-ish, not there-ish. This
Ow!
is the not-so-secret super base of operations, which I'm not sure what are yet.
This is France.
This is France. It has prickly trees.
Sky. Blue sky. Random piece of shit that is on the lens. There's nothing actually under there. There's just some random crap that was up there.
Sorry. Right. It's not really that much over there, to be honest. Just some wood. Do you want me to show you it?
I'm good.
I don't mean literally over there, but we go out and we come back. Should we just cut it?
We'll cut it on a